Do you wake up feeling heavy with brain fog and forgetfulness, even after sleeping for 8 full hours? Your brain might be seeking better nightly support. The truth is, the brain can become congested with metabolic byproducts. This invisible buildup can prevent you from feeling refreshed and thinking clearly. Based on research from leading institutions, we will explore a nightly routine that supports your glymphatic system in managing these proteins before you sleep. This glymphatic system is your brain's natural waste management facility. It is designed to clear out cellular debris, but it functions best with specific metabolic support. Without this nightly maintenance, metabolic byproducts can accumulate, potentially impacting your memory centers and your ability to process information. By understanding this mechanism, we can unlock the potential to support your cognitive function. It involves timing and a combination of natural bioactive compounds. Imagine a simple evening drink that acts as a catalyst for this natural cleaning process. This golden elixir is designed to prepare your brain for its nightly tasks. This routine combines traditional wisdom with modern neuroscience. It supports the natural disposal of cellular debris while you are at rest. Backed by data from institutions like Harvard and the Max Planck Institute, this method offers a science-based way to support your mind against the effects of time. As we age, the brain's natural self-cleaning efficiency can change. Metabolic plaques can act as obstacles to your neural connections every single day. When these pathways are hindered, communication between brain cells can be impacted. This is a significant factor in maintaining long-term memory health. Think of it like a city where maintenance services have slowed down. The pathways become less efficient, and vital functions can eventually be affected. To support your system, we can look for ways to encourage the natural cleaning crew. We want to support the fluid flow that helps clear these proteins away. This is where the glymphatic system comes in. During deep sleep, brain cells change slightly, allowing fluid to flow and support the removal of metabolic waste. It is a biological process that occurs during specific stages of rest. However, many seniors may not consistently reach the depth of sleep required. By using specific dietary supporters before bed, we can encourage this flushing effect, helping even shorter periods of sleep result in a healthier brain environment. A well-maintained brain is a sharp brain. When metabolic waste is managed, your neurons can function with better speed and precision. Research has shown that individuals with efficient cellular clearance often maintain cognitive sharpness well into their 90s and beyond. The data suggests that to protect your cognitive health, you should prioritize nightly maintenance. It is a vital defense for long-term brain wellness. Support is possible. By focusing on the right biological factors before 8 p.m., you give your brain the tools it needs to stay vibrant for years. The foundation of our evening routine is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. This polyphenol has been studied for its ability to interact with metabolic plaques. But curcumin alone is often difficult to absorb. By adding a pinch of black pepper, the piperine can increase the bioavailability of curcumin significantly. Next, we add a green tea extract rich in EGCG. This compound acts as a supportive shield, helping to manage the formation of protein aggregates in neurons. When combined, these ingredients create a synergistic effect that supports the brain during its deep maintenance phase. This routine encourages a process called autophagy. Think of it as your cell's internal recycling system, where components are managed and repurposed. Autophagy is a vital cellular maintenance process. It identifies parts of brain cells that need attention, supporting a healthier environment. By supporting autophagy before sleep, you ensure that your brain is not just resting, but actively maintaining itself at a cellular level. This recycling process is key for longevity. It allows your brain to stay in a healthy state by refreshing its components and supporting fast thinking. The final supportive ingredient is PQQ. This unique molecule is an antioxidant that supports the health of your mitochondria, the power plants of your brain cells. Q supports mitochondrial biogenesis. It helps your brain maintain energy-producing structures, ensuring neurons have the fuel they need for nightly tasks. Q acts as a supportive factor by interacting with the PGC1 alpha pathway. This is a biological factor that encourages the body to maintain resilient mitochondria. When your mitochondria are supported, your brain has the energy to manage inflammation and support overall neural health. Think of these as the energy sources for your brain. By supporting them nightly, you help ensure your cognitive engine remains efficient during the day. Healthy mitochondria contribute to a healthy mind. This process helps manage oxidative stress and protects the delicate structures of the brain. This comprehensive approach, cleaning, recycling, and recharging, is why this routine is so effective. It addresses the 3 pillars of brain health. Every serving contains the nutrients your brain seeks to start its nightly maintenance. It is a biological signal for your neurons to begin the process. It is simple, natural, and highly effective. Now, let's look at how to prepare this mixture to ensure you get the maximum benefit. Precision is important. The way you prepare these ingredients influences their bioavailability and how effectively they support your brain health. Start by placing half a teaspoon of organic turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into your glass. Use high-quality sources for purity and potency. Stir the dry ingredients together for about 40 seconds. This simple action helps the piperine and curcumin work together for better absorption. Do not skip this step. Proper mixing helps ensure the active compounds are ready for your system to utilize effectively. This technique ensures that the curcumin is better absorbed into your bloodstream to reach the delicate tissues of the brain. Add your green tea extract next. This helps turn the powders into a supportive suspension that your body can easily recognize and use. Now for a supportive addition. Lightly toast some bitter melon seeds in a pan. Doing this for just 2 minutes helps unlock their beneficial compounds. Light roasting at a low temperature protects delicate enzymes while activating the compounds that support your metabolic health tonight. Once roasted, grind them finely. This increases the surface area, allowing for better extraction of compounds that support the AMPK pathway in the brain. AMPK is a biological factor that signals your cells to manage energy and waste, supporting the natural removal of metabolic byproducts. By adding this to your routine, you are supporting your glymphatic system. It helps your brain's natural maintenance processes work more efficiently. The water temperature is important. Heat your water to about 60 degrees Celsius. Avoid boiling water, as excessive heat can impact delicate nutrients. Pour the warm water slowly. This temperature is the perfect balance. Warm enough to dissolve the compounds, but gentle enough to keep nutrients intact. Stir the final mixture thoroughly. Research indicates that consistent mixing helps ensure the highest level of solubility for these supportive compounds. You now have a wellness tonic designed to support your neural pathways. Every molecule is positioned to help your brain maintain itself while you rest. This method is recognized by specialists who understand neuronutrition. It is about protecting the integrity of the nutrients to ensure they are effective. It is not just about the ingredients, it is about the process. By following these steps, you are supporting your long-term cognitive vitality. Your brain deserves this level of care. Now that you've prepared the drink, let's talk about the best timing for this protocol. Timing is key in biological health. To get the best results, aim to finish this drink before 8 p.m., aligning with your body's natural clock. Drinking this in the early evening allows the nutrients to enter your system as your body shifts into its deep cellular maintenance mode. Your circadian rhythm influences when your brain's maintenance system is most active. The evening is a golden window for maximum nutrient impact. By starting early, the supportive factors have time to reach optimal levels just as you enter the most restorative stages of sleep. In this deep sleep phase, your brain focuses on restoration. The compounds you've consumed support the natural cleansing of neural pathways. This is where the benefits occur. Your synapses are supported and reinforced, helping to maintain your long-term memory centers. This is about proactive maintenance. By supporting neural health, you allow your brain to function with the clarity you value. You can wake up feeling truly refreshed, with a mind that is sharp and ready for the challenges of a new day with confidence. The goal is to move past morning fog and experience a sense of mental clarity. Your brain becomes more efficient through proper support. Your memory is a precious asset and a foundation of your identity. Protecting it is a wonderful gift to yourself. By taking this simple step every night, You are investing in a future where you remain sharp and present for the people you love. Trust the science-based solutions from leading institutions that support natural approaches to long-term brain health and longevity. A sharp mind is key to a fulfilling life. Supporting your memories can be as simple as a nightly routine of golden restoration. Start your nightly brain support ritual tonight. You have the power to protect your mind and support a future of clarity and vibrant health. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to Prime Years Health for more science-based solutions. Join our community today. Share this video with someone who values a sharp, clear mind. Together, we can support cognitive health and live our best, most mindful lives. Thank you for watching. Here is to your bright mind, your precious memories, and a healthy life filled with clarity and joy. Stay sharp always.